Hello everyone, welcome to Watch for Cause. Today is International Yoga Day. This pandemic, coronavirus, taught us the importance of fitness. Mental fitness, physical fitness is much more needed these days. And the answer is yoga. 1 month back, we came up with one idea or a thought to keep one theme for yoga, which was yoga with your family. We posted about the same on Instagram, Facebook, and our YouTube channel as well. One person, Naveen Kohli from Hyderabad, contacted us for the same. He is a yoga trainer in Hyderabad. Today we are going to focus about his activities, the importance of yoga in this video. He is also a YouTuber. So we thought to make one video with him so that our subscribers also will understand the importance of yoga, and as well as you can also take the advantage of his services. So I request everyone to take the advantage and the services which Naveen Kohli is giving for us, and you can subscribe to their channel as well. In description box I have mentioned their links, website and Facebook pages and YouTube channel link as well, so you can go through it, you can contact them, and take care of yourself. Thank you.
Namaste, pranams. My name is Naveen Kohli. I'm a full-time yoga trainer, certified Yoga Alliance, RYT 500 and ERYT 200. And before the practice of yoga teaching, I was working as a project manager in the IT industry. Close to 2 decades, I worked with the multinational clients like Barclays, GSK, GE, Citigroup, MasterCard. So the interest for yoga was there, very much seeded from the schooling days. It is the school environment that really brought us up to be very disciplined for the practice of yoga, and that quest further developed, wanting to know the self better. And in 2009, I did my first meditation workshop with the voice of His Holiness Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankarji from Art of Living. That's when further interest on yoga path, to know there is something beyond known. And then I have progressed in taking up the yoga courses, and I've sincerely completed many courses I went through, and the recent one being from the Sri Sri School of Yoga. And in 2019 is when I left my IT professional job. I took a call that I would like to work for taking yoga as part of my life. And I took a call to work for yoga to reach many people. It's been a very great spiritual journey so far. Most importantly, like Gurudev says, the best service to the humankind is to uplift somebody's mind. I think it's a very rare opportunity for me to be able to do this. And it's my family who I should be thankful of, who allowed me first of all to take a call to come out of a professional work environment, something like IT industry. And I never looked back since then. There were many obstacles that came, but then we have survived because one secret is yoga. Recently, we all know the entire world has gone through the very pandemic of two waves of the dangerous virus like COVID-19. Many were trying to be safe, and many went through very difficult, unknown challenges of the life. And my interaction with many of our students gives only one voice back, is that yoga has been a great help. It is not that when we practice yoga, we don't get any challenges. For sure, we do get the challenges, but only thing is we become a better warriors. It's like, we cannot really avoid the war, but how better you make yourself to be a warrior and make yourself ready for the war field, that is more important. That is what yoga can make you, like a strong warrior of the life. Yoga is a skill. Yoga is a skill in life. Yoga is a skill in action. And after the successful teaching, then we wanted to set up a full environment. Where I am talking from is a Navyoga Academy and Fitness Studio in Hyderabad. So we do teach all kinds of traditional yoga, and then we have power yoga. And what you may be wondering, what are these hanging ropes? We do aerial yoga, and we have the very good, interesting programs for the kids. And we also do conduct the teacher trainings, because the world need very good yoga teachers for the generations to come. And I'm also a Reikeno healer. It's a very good healing therapy which is introduced in Sri Sri Tattva, the Panchakarma of Sri Sri Tattva. And we do heal people who are with chronic diseases. And with these all services, and we have been teaching yoga online, and especially during the last 1.5 years, internet has been a great help. And many of us use internet for many other things, but for us, internet has become a very great technologically advantage of teaching yoga online. And we do conduct yoga in multiple times with very flexible times. All the classes are available online, and one can also practice at the studio in Hyderabad. And our yoga teachers have been a great contribution for where we are today. Since last 1.5 years, we have been able to take yoga through this online platform to more than 10 countries, have reached more than 1,500 students. So my special thanks to all the yoga teachers and my colleagues, yoga colleagues, to name with Jyoti, Usha, Jagdish, Nagalakshmi, Harshita, Jhansi. They have really supported reaching many of you. And above all, I would like to thank all our students for patiently practicing, waiting for the results, being with the teachings, being with the yoga teachers. And we all draw the inspiration from our Guru, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. And his inspiration is what made us who we are today and what we are today. And it's when 2015, where the June 21st has been announced as an International Day of Yoga. And on this day, on this occasion, I'm so happy and grateful to talk to you for the International Yoga Day 2021. Take the time out, be on the mat, be with the protocol of yoga for this 21st June 2021. So wish you all that yoga will help, and wish you all you get your health and wealth, prosperity through yoga. And our special thanks from Navyoga Academy and Fitness Studio to the Watch for a Cause channel, Purnima ji. And she's been doing a so great work to get people with lot of techniques to help a lot of people how to overcome their lifestyle issues, how to overcome their problems in the life. And she's been one of the citizens of this country to be in the first row when there is a challenge, when there is a pandemic. And it's so great honor to have such great personalities working for a cause, making you all watch that cause, the solutions. And thank you, Watch for a Cause channel and Purnima ji. And we'll meet again on the next video. You can go to our website www.navyoga.yoga. All the details of what I have been talking so far will be available. And we are available on WhatsApp and we are available over the phone. The numbers are available in the website and we are there in the Facebook and Instagram and YouTube too. So please do catch up on the YouTube videos for daily techniques of how to lead a healthy and a prosperous life. Thank you all very much again. Wishing you all a very happy International Yoga Day, 21 June 21. Thank you so much. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.